Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we got two thermometers, one filled with alcohol and the other one with mercury. Both are calibrated to 0 degrees Celsius at freezing point and 100 degrees Celsius at boiling point. Both are in water and they are divided into 100 equal parts for intervals. Will these thermometers display the same reading at 60 degrees Celsius? Explain your reasoning. So, summary, probably. It depends on the thermal expansion coefficients of the fluids. If they are different, the reading will also be different. They will deviate. Here is the more in-depth version. So, the operation of both thermometers relies on the expansion of their respective fluids. If the thermal expansion coefficients of the fluids change linearly with temperature, then the fluids will expand at the same rate as the temperature increases, resulting in identical readings for both the thermometers. However, if the coefficients are different and do not change linearly, the readings on the thermometers may differ. Okay, so that's the long-winded version. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC. So you may be familiar with snipping tool, and the reason why you should save it is just in case that this video or this channel gets into some trouble and gets taken down. I do follow all copyright rules or laws. However, sometimes things happen. So use your snipping tool. You can find it in your taskbar or Windows search. On Mac, use your Mac version of the snipping tool. So for those that are new and never used it, follow these steps. Once you have your snipping tool open, click on Video, then click on New. Left click drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. So just left click drag it like that. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button. Let the video finish. Hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.